You want a AAA CE approved safety jacket that's mesh for the summer riding? I think I've found it. Hello folks, welcome back to the garage. Today I'm looking at this, the Knox Honister armoured shirt. Knox have been producing Armour since 1981 when the founder of the company, Mr. Jeff Travel, created the world's first back protector. Move on a few years to 1994 and Knox introduced to the world to their first armoured shirt. Since then, their products have gone from strength to strength and they've improved them with each different model. This, the Honister, is their latest incarnation and is the pinnacle of 30 plus years of work. The shirt is AAA rated under the CE approved scheme. Construction of the shirt, it's made from nylon, polyester, cotton, spandex and a polymer. Has a feel similar to a tough neoprene wetsuit, but you're not really supposed to use this on its own in the wet. It does have mesh panels, but there's a thin lining on the inside of the jacket which actually prevents it from being fully meshed, but you do still get some ventilation through it. The armour that is used is Knox's own Microlock system, and it's level 2 in the elbows, shoulders and back, and I've also got the chest armour plate which is of level 1 standard. The chest armour simply attaches to a piece of Velcro there. And if you don't want to use it, just take it off. There you can see the inner lining. It is thin, so if you put a torch to it on the outside, you do actually still see the light coming through. Pockets. This jacket has got 5 pockets. 2 side pockets there. 1 large pocket in the rear. There, and also on both sides of the jacket you have 2 inner pockets. All the zips on this jacket are made by YKK, so you're looking at premium products throughout the jacket. You might have noticed you've got the wrist straps. They just stop the sleeves from riding up, and as long as you get the correct size it will feel close fitting. It is meant to be close fitting. That if the armour is close fitting, it will be where you need it when you need it. Sizing, you can get this for both male and female figures. Male sizes are small to 5XL. This is a medium and I am a medium and it fits perfectly well, perfect fit. Women's sizes go from extra small to 3XL, which in the ladies' numerical sizing is a size 8 to a size 20. The jacket is machine washable at 30 degrees as long as you make sure you remove the armour first. Price £379.99. Available from multiple motorcycle outlets as well as Knox's own website. This jacket is part of what Knox call their Seasonless Collection. So they're bringing a new concept to motorcycle clothing. That concept is you wear a base layer, say a t-shirt or a long sleeve shirt if it's a bit cooler. Their Armour shirts, this is the pinnacle of their product range. There's also a couple of others on the market under the Urban name tag. You can then, when it does get cooler, but it's dry, just put a soft shell jacket or some thermal layer over the top. And then if it gets wet, there is a waterproof layer to go over the top of that as well. Okay folks, I really can't recommend this jacket highly enough. I know it's not cheap, £380, but if it's going to help protect you from abrasion and reduce laceration style injuries, then it can't be a bad thing. If you like the video, please consider subscribing and maybe look at other kit reviews that I've done in the link above. Thanks very much, speak to you soon, keep rubber side down.